Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to remove yourself from a sponsor on Cash App. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, make sure your Cash App is updated to the latest version. Once you're inside the app, tap on your profile icon. Depending on your device, it may appear in the top right corner or somewhere along the bottom menu. After that, scroll down and look for sections like Referrals and Sponsorships, Linked Accounts, or Connected Accounts. This is where you'll find any sponsor or referral linked to your account. Now, if you see your sponsor listed there, tap on it and look for an option like Disconnect, Remove, or Cancel. Once you tap it, confirm your action, and that should remove the sponsorship from your account. However, if you don't see any option to remove the sponsor manually, then your next step is to contact support. Go to the support section inside Cash App, and here search for sponsor. Select first option and then scroll down and tap on chat option. Here, you can type a message like, I want to remove myself from a sponsor and send it. Cash App support usually responds within 24 to 48 hours and can handle the request for you. And that's it. So that's basically how you can remove yourself from a sponsor on Cash App. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.